All right, got a 2022 Ford Maverick key fob here. Now we're going to open it up to replace the battery. It's fairly simple. You're going to flip the key open like that, and you're going to need a small flathead screwdriver or something, because we're going to take this back panel off. There's a little place right here, a little opening for exactly perfect for a flathead screwdriver to go in. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but it's right here towards the middle. We're going to put it in here, and we are going to give it a little bit of a pry like that. And you can see the slot right here where the screwdriver went, and this will come right off just like that. Turn the remote like this, just pull out the battery. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery is a CR2032 battery with the positive sign facing out towards us. Stick it in here, lock it in there like that. If you need a new battery, if you check the description box, there's a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick up a new battery if you want to get a battery that way. It's going to be the right size and everything. So then you just get the back plate, stick it on here, start at the top, work your way down, lock it all on, make sure it's all on here, and you close up the key, and you are done.